In this video, I will show you how to fix voice chat SDK in Mobile Legends. SDK is a special toolkit for developers that allows you to implement and use the communication function between players through voice chat. The following solutions will allow you to use voice communication during the match. The first way is to delete all Mobile Legends data. When uninstalling, all game files will be cleared. After restarting, everything will start downloading again. Open your phone settings and select the Application Management menu. Find the game in the list and click on it. After that, select the function Clear Data. After the update, you need to check in-game settings if voice chat is enabled. Go to the settings and select the item sound. Scroll to the Battlefield chat settings and turn on voice chat. In game settings, there's a function to clear the cache. If the previous method did not help, open the settings. Select the item Network Discovery and go to Item Clearing the Cache. Right in the game, you can check all files, which will help identify problems and download missing files. Go to Settings, select Network Discovery and go to Resource Check. If the voices of heroes are not played, you can try changing the language. Open Settings, and at the bottom, select Language. Go to the Vote tab and change the voice language of the characters. If all the methods did not fix the SDK error, you should reinstall the game. When you reinstall, all data will be updated, so the problem should be gone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.